Are you wondering how to sell your home faster and for top dollar in Cedar Park or Leander, Texas? Well, in this very video, I'm going to share some insider tips to help you maximize your home's value and appeal to get eager buyers in our thriving Texas market, so stay tuned. Hi, my name is Debbie Thomas, your favorite listing agent from Austin, Texas. Did you know the Cedar Park and Leander housing market has been experiencing significant growth, with the median home prices in both Cedar Park and Leander reaching nearly $500,000 in 2024? And this presents an exciting opportunity for homeowners looking to sell, but it also means you need to stand out in a competitive market. So let's dive in to some key strategies to get your home sold quickly and for the best price possible. Number one, price it right from the start. One of the most crucial home selling tips is to set the right price from the beginning. Overpricing your home can lead to a longer time on the market. In 2024, Cedar Park and Leander continue to see strong demand, but pricing strategies have become more nuanced. To determine the optimal listing price, consider working with a local real estate agent who understands the intricacies of Cedar Park and Leander markets. They can provide a comparative market analysis that takes into account recent sales of similar properties in your neighborhood. Remember, buyers in today's age are pretty savvy and have access to a wealth of online information, so your pricing needs to be competitive and justifiable. Texas is a non-disclosure state, which means that Zillow isn't always up to date on the latest sold prices, so it's best to speak with a realtor who has access to that information. Also, don't forget to factor in any unique features of your home that might add value, such as recent upgrades, energy-efficient appliances, or proximity to desirable places like hill country or golf course or lake views. A well-priced home not only attracts more potential buyers, but also creates a sense of urgency that can lead to quicker offers and even bidding wars in some cases. Number two, enhance curb appeal. When it comes to home staging, to sell your house, first impressions matter more than ever. Nowadays, buyers are increasingly making initial judgments based on online listings and drive-bys. So to sell your house in Cedar Park, Texas, or Leander quickly, focus on creating an inviting exterior that potential buyers are eager to see more. Start with basic landscaping. Mow the lawn, trim the bushes, add some colorful flowers to create a welcoming entrance. Consider power washing the exterior, touching up paint where needed, ensuring all outdoor lighting is functional. In the Texas heat, well-maintained and shaded outdoor living space can also be a major selling point, so don't neglect patio or deck areas. Remember, curb appeal isn't just about the front yard. In Cedar Park and Leander, many homes back up to green spaces or have views of the surrounding hill country. Make sure these areas also well-maintained and showcase the best advantage. A clean, inviting exterior sets the stage for a positive viewing experience and can significantly impact the buyer's perception on the home's overall value. Number three, declutter and depersonalize. To sell your house quickly in Cedar Park and Leander, Texas, it's essential to create a space where potential buyers can envision themselves living. This means decluttering and depersonalizing your home. Start by removing personal items like family photos, collections, and any overly taste-specific decor. The goal is to create a neutral canvas that appeals to a wide range of buyers. In 2024, minimalism continues to be a popular trend, so consider paring down your furnishings to create a sense of spaciousness. This doesn't mean your home should feel empty, but rather that each room should have a clear purpose and flow. Pay attention to the closets and storage areas. Buyers in Cedar Park and Leander often prioritize ample storage space, so showcasing organized and spacious storage can be a significant selling point. Don't forget about digital decluttering as well. In today's connected world, buyers are often interested in smart home features. If you have any smart home technology, make sure it's updated and functioning properly. Number four, make strategic upgrades. When considering how to price your home to sell fast, strategic upgrades can make a significant difference. However, it's important to choose improvements that offer the best return on investment. Focus on upgrades that enhance functionality and energy efficiency. Kitchen and bathroom updates continue to be popular and can significantly impact a home's perceived value. However, you don't necessarily need a full remodel. Sometimes simple changes like updating the hardware, refreshing grout, or installing new light fixtures can give these crucial spaces a modern feel without breaking the bank. Energy efficient upgrades are particularly appealing in the Texas climate. Consider installing a smart thermostat, upgrading to energy efficient windows, or adding extra insulation. These improvements not only attract environmentally conscious buyers, but also promise long-term savings on utility bills. Professional photography and virtual tours are number 5. In 2024, the importance of high-quality online listings cannot be overstated. Most buyers start their home search online, making professional photography a crucial investment. High-resolution, well-lit photos can make your home stand out in a crowded market and attract more potential buyers to in-person viewing. Consider going a step further with virtual or 3D walkthroughs. These tools have become increasingly popular and can be especially appealing to out-of-town buyers or those looking to minimize in-person visits. A comprehensive virtual tour allows potential buyers to explore your home in detail, increasing the likelihood that those who schedule in-person viewings are already seriously interested. So it's worth the effort to make them as appealing as possible. So you see, by following these strategies, you'll be well on your way to sell your Cedar Park or Leander home faster and for top dollar in 2024. Remember, every home and market is unique, so don't hesitate to reach out for personalized advice tailored to your specific situation. If you would like to get more information about the best places to live near Lake Austin or Lake Travis, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on all my socials so that you don't miss any future videos. Hit the like button if you found this video informative. You can click on the boxes on your screen to view my other videos too. Once again, I'm Debbie Thomas from Austin, Texas. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.